Hello and welcome to another unboxing of Xiaomi product. This will be the unboxing of Yeelight RGB LED 2-meter light strip plus. Sometimes they call it the Aurora strip, sometimes they call it light strip plus. Anyway, this is the second generation of light strip. It's available on AliExpress and various other sellers for around 32 to 33 bucks. And I had to buy one because mine stopped working because the cat ate the cable and burned the electronics. So this will be the replacement. And also I will try to make a video of physical installation of the switch later. So bought two extension strips, 1 meter extensions, but more on that later. So this one, as I said, is on AliExpress, $32.79. You get the European adapter or whichever you want. You just have to take the appropriate option to get the adapter. And let's open it. And here it is. Okay. So the only major difference between the classical LED strip from Yeelight and this Aurora one or Plus is that this one can be extended with these 1 meter extenders, and I believe it can be extended. It's normally 2 meters, and it can be extended up to 4 meters. Oh no, it says here extendable up to 10 meters. Okay. So you can buy 8 extensions and have a light strip that is like 10 meters long. Okay, so first of all, there is a small instruction manual, some business card. Instruction manual is in English. There are links to Mi Home app and Yeelight app. You can use it from whichever app you like. So let's see. This is the new adapter. Different than the old one, so you can just plug in different adapters for different standards, but there is no European version for the time being because they sent me American version. Okay, and now on this we need to put this European adapter, which is, oh my god, look at this. This is just plain awful. This is the worst thing that I've seen ever. Even if we put it like this, it's really terrible. If they already made an adapter like this, they could have made European adapter instead of this. Take a look at this. I mean, can you believe having this plugged into a wall? What does it look like? Oh, just plain awful. Okay. So here is the strip. This one is 2 meters long. And this is the controller, which has 3 amps on the back, so you can just stick it somewhere. It has one button, the same as the old version, except the adapter. You can just unplug it. The old version didn't have unpluggable adapter. Okay, and that's about it. There's nothing else in the box. So let's just connect it and see if it works. Okay, so it says plug in the adapter, and while holding this button here, connect it to the mains. So I'm holding the button and I'm connecting it. As you can see, this thing is blinking. And now the LED strip is activated. So now we should be able to add it into Mi Home app. Okay, so let's launch the Mi Home app. We will go plus, that means add new device, lightning, and let's see where it is. So Yeelight LED Strip Plus. Okay, we already completed that, so let's go next. We will connect to this router. It's the one for smart home. Oh, it connected. It's communicating. Initializing extension, and that's done. So let's assign a room. It will be in the living room. Just call it Light Strip Plus for the time being. There might be a firmware update. We'll see about that later. Right now it's probably downloading extension. Failed to start extension. Let's try another one. The device is working. Failed to start extension. Okay, finally we make it. So, after a couple of unsuccessful tries, we managed. So let's see how it reacts. And this is the lowest setting. And by going left to right, you can change colors. Set it to green, red, flow. Then there's also a timer, so you can turn it off automatically. Okay. Under general settings, there might be firmware updates, of course, as there always are. So let's just update. It's still color cycling, okay. And it's updated. Okay, and there's one more thing that we need to do here, and that's set the location. Not location, but time zone, sorry. And the time zone should be Central European Time. And this is it. And that's it. Next thing, we'll add extensions and install it. But that's for the next video. If you like my channel, please subscribe. See you next time.